We're going to take a look at another way that you can share Google Forms, and that's through Google Classroom. When you're on your classwork tab and you go to Create, there is the ability to create a quiz assignment. When you create a quiz assignment, it automatically includes a blank quiz. You could click on this blank quiz and go ahead and create your Google Form quiz from there. You'll notice if I do that and I click on Settings and go to Quizzes, it's already set to be a quiz. So that part is done for you. However, I do want you to note that I could delete this quiz and actually add the quiz that I created earlier to this assignment in Google Classroom. So I can look for my general knowledge quiz and add, and you'll notice now it placed this quiz in this assignment. One of the things you'll notice is that toggle for locked mode on Chromebooks. We talked about that in Google Form settings, but there's also a link here if you would like to turn on locked mode for your quiz. Also, you'll notice that Classroom can import grades for assignments and quizzes. Grade importing actually limits each form to one response. It automatically collects email addresses, and it restricts it to hcpsnc.org if you're in our school district. So you can choose to turn grade importing on or off. Now, there are some people who've put in an assignment and attached a quiz and they do not see these options. That's because in order for this assignment type to work, the quiz can be the only thing attached to that assignment. So this is a way to add a quiz in Google Classroom. You can either go to Create and choose Quiz Assignment and use the form that's automatically attached, or you can remove that form and add the form that you've already created in the quiz format, remembering that the quiz setting is something that's set in Settings. After inserting a quiz into Google Classroom, in order to view the assignment and see your quiz results, you can simply go to the quiz in your Google Drive. You can also click on View Assignment, and you'll notice at the very top you have an Import Grades button. When you click the Import Grades button, it will bring in all the grades that were automatically created during your form. Now, if you have a form that requires open-ended responses, then you're going to need to do what we've seen in an earlier video. Go to your form, go to your Responses tab, and make sure that you go through and check each individual score and make sure that you have scored those open-ended questions. However, if all you have are auto-grading questions, you can simply click Import Grades, and it'll pull all the grades into your Classroom gradebook for you.